Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's post consisted of this Panasonic RQ-V61 personal cassette player. It was listed as spares or repair. It has the usual problem with these, that the radio works perfectly and the cassette doesn't. I'm 100% certain that it will need new belts. Let's have a look. So as you can see, it's in exceptionally good cosmetic condition. It actually looks like it's never been used. Battery compartment is very clean. The serial number indicates that it was made in 1996. Comes complete with its belt clip. And it looks very, very clean indeed. So let's get the back off this thing and have a look to see if it is belts. But before that, let's give it a quick test. I'm just going to pop a couple of batteries in. I did try this out earlier with a pair of headphones and the radio does work perfectly. So let's see what the cassette is doing. I don't know if you can hear that. The motor is definitely whirring, but the spindles aren't turning. Okay, let's take the back off and have a look. Right, there are 4 screws on the back of this. Let's see how easily they come undone. So with the back removed, it's just a case of taking out the 4 little screws. Here we can see the main circuit board. Some of the ones that I've fixed in the past, it's been very difficult to get the circuit board off easily, but as you can see there are no screws or anything, it's all soldered in place. However, this one does seem to lift sufficiently that you can see inside, and I can already see the remnants of a drive belt just here. I don't know if you can see that there. Looks like there are 2 on this machine. So this one here, which looks like it's just, yeah. So that one has just collapsed with age. And then there's another one just there. Don't know if you can see that. So it loops around this wheel here and then goes all the way back past that big wheel there. So it looks like I need to order a new belt set for this. I'll see you shortly. In the meantime, let's have a quick look at the packaging. I do love buying old electronics that still have the original box and instructions. I wouldn't be at all surprised if this had never been used. The box is in very good condition. As I said earlier, it was built in 1996, so it's about 24 years old. Oh, there's a ship date on here, 26th of February 97. Interesting. And inside, I'm not sure if this is the original packaging. I'm guessing there would have been a set of headphones in here with it originally, or maybe not. But inside it does come with original instruction manual, although unfortunately the front has been torn. And what's this? Is this the original service guide? So very nice to have. It's obviously been very well looked after. And we're going to make it work again. Right, it's now 10 days later. I've managed to get a couple of drive belts for this model. So let's see how easy it is to get these changed. So if I just lift the circuit board again, you can see an old belt there, and then the smaller belt needs to go around here through to here. So I'm hoping it's just a case of lifting off this larger belt. There's the new one. Don't think there's any sticky residue left behind. So let's try and feed the new belt around the wheel. This is probably going to be quite fiddly. There we go. So there is the larger belt in place, and now we just need to pop the smaller belt on top here. There we go, and everything seems to be turning quite nicely. So there's a better look at the belts in place. So let's put this thing together and see if we have cassette operation. So all of the screws are now back in, and I've put some batteries in, so here is the moment of truth. Let's see if we now have spindles turning. When we certainly do. Hopefully this is one personal cassette player that's been repaired. Let's try tape. Fingers crossed. I can confirm that I have music playing out of this perfectly. Let's try rewind. Fast forward. Excellent. One Panasonic personal cassette player lives to fight another day. Thanks for watching.